Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 2 subject English. Taking class 2 subject English. Take your textbook. Grammar English grammar textbook page number 18. English grammar textbook page number 18. Already we have circle the naming words. Already we have circled the naming words. Now we will write in the columns. Already we have done this in previous class. Circling the naming words. Now we will write in the columns here. People, animal, place, columns are given. We will read the sentences and we will write it in these columns. First sentence, put finger, first sentence. Rahul and Ritu were going from school. So you circle Rahul and Ritu. Rahul and Ritu are name of people, names of people. So people column, write R-A-H-U-L, Rahul, put comma and write there only. R-I-T-U, Ritu. Write 2 children because only 3 boxes they gave, it's not sufficient. So write 2 words in 1 row only. Rahul and Ritu are names of people. Where coming from school. What is school then? Name of place. So in place column you will write S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Is it clear? Understood? We read one sentence and put it in the column heading. Second sentence, put finger, read. The little girl was playing in the park. You have circled girl. Girl, name of people, common name. All the girls are known as girls. Common name to all the girls. So, girl. Rahul and Ritu are what? Special names. That's why they are started with capital letter. Now, girl is what? Common. So, small letter only. G-I-R-L, girl. Then, was playing in the park. What is park? Name of the place. Park is name of the place. So, write here P-A-R-K, park in the name of place column. Then, third sentence, put finger. Myra went to her village for the holidays. Myra, who is Myra? Name of people. Myra, who is Myra? Name of people. So, M-Y-R-A. Myra is what? Name of girl. So, special name of one girl only, special name. So, it's write in people column. She saw many animals. Her grandmother. We circle grandmother also. Grandmother is what? Common name of people. All grandmothers are called grandmother only. Common name, general name of people. So, grandmother also will come in people column only. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. Then showed her a cow. Cow is what? Name of animal. Common name of animal. Cow. C-O-W, cow. Then the cow give milk every day. What is milk? Every day you will drink milk. Yes, it's a name. It will come under things column. M-I-L-K, milk, liquid item. Next, fourth one, put finger. Arjun as a pet cat. Arjun, who is Arjun? Name of a person. Special name of a person. One person name only. So it is special. Arjun, where it will come? Name of people. Arjun, A-R-J-U-N, Arjun. Then Arjun as a pet cat. Now cat is what? Common name of animal. Cat is what? Common name of animal. So C-A-T, cat, common name of animal. Her name is Lucy. Now Lucy is what? Name of animal. Lucy is what? Name of cat, pet cat. So it will come under animal column only. Name, it is a special name of animal. Lucy is what? Special name of animal. So Lucy also will come here. L-U-C-Y, Lucy. Special name of animal, cat. Lucy sleeps on the couch. Lucy is where Lucy is sleeping. Lucy have a bed. So it is sleeping on that place where Lucy, cat, sleep is known as couch. Where this Lucy is sleeping, Lucy is the name of a pet cat. So couch is what? Thing. Couch is what? Thing. C-O-U CH, couch. Then father. Who is father? Common name. All fathers, you will call your father. Father, your brother also will call father. So common name, general name of person. So father, here only will write. People name, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Then father brought a pink bicycle. What is bicycle now? Name of a thing, name of a vehicle. Yes, bicycle. It will come in things column. It will come in things column. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle, name of a thing. Then for Ria, who is Ria? Name of a girl, special name, Ria. R-I-A, Ria. Write it in people column only, R-I-A, Ria. So see how many we got in people column like this. Adjust and write, children. If no place, you can write it down below the line also. 2 you write in one row. If no place, you can write it down below the line also. You can write. So how many we got here? Village. Village also we circled. Myra went to her village. Village is what? Name of place. Name of place. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village is what? Name of place. Name of place. Then Myra bought. Father, fifth one, put finger. Father bought a pink bicycle for Ria. Ria rode it in the neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The place, the area around your house. The place or the area around your house where you stay. Many people are living with you. Many neighborhood, many shops are there near you. So all that comes under neighborhood. Neighborhood means the place you live. The place where you are living around you. Many people are living, many shops are there. So it is known as neighborhood. Neighborhood is the place. Neighborhood is the place. So it will come under place column. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. Say neighborhood spelling. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. Like this you write, children. Write it in the columns. Okay. Here in people column only, many are there. You can write below the line also. Write neatly in all the columns. All animals came under all animals column. What is Lucy? Lucy is the name of the cat. That's why we wrote in animal column. These are place names. These are things names. Now come to next row, children. Look at the picture and write a sentence about what they are. Look at this picture and you should say what is this. Who is this person standing here? He is a policeman. What is this blue color? It is a dolphin. Yes, it lives in water. Who is here? Person holding balloons in his hand. 3 balloons he is holding in his hand. Who is he? Joker. What is this? It's a bird flying. Next, fifth one, what is this? Butterfly. You should see the picture and you should write in these sentences. First one already given to you. This is a policeman. First one is already given to you. This is a policeman. Then second one, which picture is this? Dolphin. Which picture is this? Dolphin. So we will write this is a dolphin. Second one, write in your books. T-H-I-S. This. I-S is a D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Here lines are given. You should write on the lines only. First one already written. Second one write this is a dolphin. What is this? Which picture is this? Dolphin. So this is a dolphin. Then third, which picture is this? Bird. Where is bird? Little far. So we can write this or that. But here bird is little far. So we are using that. That is a bird. Write third one. T-H-A-T. That. I-S is a B-I-R-D, bird. That is a bird. Now fourth one. Who is he? Clown. Joker. So this is a joker. Who is he? Joker. No. So we will write this is a joker. T-H-I-S. This. I-S is a C-L-O-W-N. Clown. Clown means joker. And after completing the sentence, you should put a full stop. After completing the sentence, you should put a full stop. Always the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yes, start with capital T and end with a full stop. This is a clown. Fourth one completed. Fifth one, what is this? Yes, butterfly. So butterfly is little far. So we will write that. The things which are far, what we will say? That. The things which are near, what we will say? This. So that is a butterfly. Say the spelling. T-H-A-T, that. I-S-E-A-B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Copy this all 5 sentences in your textbook, and this also under column headings. Write it very neatly. Once again we will read all the words. Come on, put finger. See the board, children. R-A-H-U-L, Rahul. R-I-T-U, Ritu. G-I-R-L, girl. M-Y-R-A, Myra. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. A-R-J-U-N, Arjun. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. R-I-A, Ria. C-O-W, cow. C-A-T, cat. L-U-C-Y, Lucy. S-C-H-O-N, school. P-A-R-K, park. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. M-I-L-K, milk. C-O-U-C-H, couch. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Write it neatly in the column headings. Next, look at the picture and write the sentence. This is a policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man, policeman. This is a dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. That is a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. This is a clown. C-L-O-W-N, clown. That is a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Today's homework is this all you should write in your textbook. Write page number 18 in textbook. Your homework is writing under column headings and also this. Okay, complete your page number 18 very neatly. Your handwriting should be very neat. Touch the line, on the line only, write it on the lines. Do it very neatly in your textbook, children. Complete your textbook. Your textbook till page number 18 it should be completed, because next class I am going to take lesson 3. So till page number 18, see, check lesson 1, lesson 2 completed or not, check. Go to lesson 3. Next we will go to lesson 3. So before I move to lesson 3, lesson 1 and 2 should be completed both in classwork and textbook. Do your work neatly, children. Thank you.